Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to cover problem number 69, right? So let's just try to read the questions, right? If tangent squared minus tangent x minus 2 equals 0, man, it's going to call out for quadratics. For x between 0 and pi, determine the number of real solutions. I actually wrote down a lot of stuff for think through. Not many stuff, but you know, the stuff that's required for you to solve this problem. But we're going to call, again, according to the think through, we're going to call tangent x as t, letter t. We're going to introduce a third variable. So here we go. We have tangent squared. We get tangent squared minus tangent x. And we're subtracting this with 2 equals 0. This is exactly the same thing as t squared minus t minus 2 equaling 0. Except we're using the fact about tangent x, but we're not so sure whether tangent x is going to be one-to-one function. Well, we're strictly not sure whether this is going to be the increasing function or not. But I can tell you that the shape of the curve about the tangent function is just going to be somewhere down here, like all the way down here from 0 to pi. And of course, there's some part that is undefined at t equals, like pi over, like something like t equals 0, right? T equals 0 will be totally undefined. But, other than that, we're fine, right? So we have x, and this is going to be t, right? So we have this weird looking graph from 0 to pi. Let's just try to check how many solutions that we get, right? So let's just try to solve this. T minus 2. And we have t plus 1 equaling 0. In other words, t is supposed to be either 2 or negative 1. Now that means that we need to draw the horizontal line at t equals 2. And we can also draw another horizontal line at t equals negative 1. Do we find any points of intersection? Yes, we do find some points of intersections. We get one point of intersection and the other point of intersection, that they all stay within 0 and pi, the interval, the open interval from 0 and pi. And thankfully, it's not crossing anything about x equals pi over 2. So I would say we get 2 solutions in this case. So the answer becomes